Okay, ma'am. So, day 3, stretch tayo. So, hands. And, by the way po, per day, medyo iba-iba yung stretch natin depende sa muscle group. So, third day muscle group natin, posterior chain. So, likod natin. So, hands, cross, na? Tapos, hands down. Round your back, extend. Tapos, imagine, ino-open natin yung lats natin. Tapos, pinaghihiwalay natin yung kamay. Yeah. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. And then, elbows between your thigh. Alright pa. Round your back. Drop your head. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Yan. Tapos, sa baba, stretch na natin yung hamstrings, glutes. Alright. Tapos, hindi nawawala po yung hamstrings, glutes, and quad release natin. Alright. Kasi every day naglalakad naman tayo, gumagalaw tayo. So, kailangan kasama din lagi yung legs natin po. Alright. So, bicep stretch pala. Extend, palms down. Pull ng konti sa fingertips. And feel natin magsa-stretch yung biceps. Extend. Other side. Up. Twist. Hold. Other side. And ayun po, that will be your workout for day 3 and 6.